everyone. So I'm here today to talk about an introduction to Chinese herbal medicine. Chinese herbs can be utilized for so many different ailments, everything from A to Z. We can prescribe Chinese herbs. And how we do that is through our Chinese medicine diagnosing. We diagnose differently than Western medicine. And with the Chinese medicine diagnosis, then we can choose what's going to be the most appropriate herbal formula for the patient. Now, herbs can come in single herbs, and then there's a lot of classical formulas. Remember, Chinese medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, is an ancient medicine dating back 5,000, even 7,000 years ago. So they have all these different classical formulas that were probably a little bit more simplified back then. And then now a lot of those classical formulas have been modernized and have more herbs in them to help assist and support with the particular ailment. The beautiful thing about Chinese herbal therapy, unlike Western medications, is it's treating the root cause, the condition that is out of balance in the body. Instead of treating just the symptom, it's going to the root cause in the body, and it's creating repair and homeostasis there to begin the healing process of that condition. Beautiful thing about Chinese medicine. And there's really very little symptoms, side effects that you can get from herbs. Maybe one side effect would be if you were taking too many herbs, it could maybe create a stomach upset. And that's why I always encourage my patients, if you're getting on herbal therapy, you have to stay in communication with your practitioner. So we can modify the herbal formula, we can adjust the dose as needed, just like a medical pharmaceutical prescription. So very important to stay in communication, not just get herbs, take them willy-nilly and not really know what you're taking and if you're taking the appropriate dose, if you really want to get effective benefits and resolution with your herbal treatment. So I have a company that I really love that I've used since I started my practice. And the herbs come in both capsule formula and granular. So no longer do you have to, you can, but there are still herbs out there that you can cook over the stove, but a lot of us don't have time to do that these days. So these are quick and convenient capsules, powder. Same thing that's in the capsule is in the powder here, and I'll show you in just a minute the different ways that these two come in this particular company. Now one of the reasons that I really love this company where I get my pharmaceutical herbs is because they do 15 different quality testing on their herbals. So you know that you're getting the pure herb, there's no heavy metals, and they're being well tested, and you know that you're getting the herb, the 100% herbs. So capsules, just what it's going to be is capsules. And I am a capsule lover because capsules are going to be quick and convenient. And when I'm running from place to place in my busy life, I can just throw my capsules, bottle of capsules in my purse, and I can dose as needed. So I'm a big capsule person. And then the powder is a great form if you don't mind the taste of things, plants. And you would be mixing this in warm water. And so I'm going to show you a little bit. You would be dosing it with a measuring spoon that you get when you order your herbs. And I would go over the dosing with you. But this is the way that the granulars look. And what you'd be doing with your herbs for the granular is you would be putting that in your warm cup of water. You'd want to stir it really well, and you want to make sure that you're getting all of the herbs out of the cup, that you're drinking all of the herbs. So you may need to add more water. But you stir it up so it's a little bit, I don't like mine that pasty, so I usually use more water. And then I just keep adding water until the cup is clean. And then you would just drink them. So for people that might have difficulty swallowing a lot of pills or don't like to pill swallow, then the granulars would be a great method in taking your Chinese herbs. Now, some of my favorites that I like and some very popular ones, I'll just share a few, is Calm ES. This is a great one for stress relieving, can also help for insomnia and help for sleeping. So that's a real popular one. Also, if you're you have addiction and you're coming off an addiction, that can be a really great support. This is one of my all-time favorites. This got rid of my, what I used to have was chronic neck and shoulder pain. I, touch wood, don't have anymore. But then this is actually one of my top sellers. And I will have my herbal store up soon, hopefully. So I'll have that link on my YouTube site and my social media sites. But this is neck and shoulder chronic pain. So you can imagine this is a top seller. And it does just what it says, is it helps decrease pain in the neck and shoulder region, gets the qi and the blood flow moving to those areas to move out the obstruction and decrease pain and tension in the neck and shoulder area, decrease inflammation. So that's a really great one. This one I really like, and this is a very popular one I use for, my weight loss patients. I'll hide the name since I'm going to be doing a video on this. But this is really great just for decreasing cravings. I tend to like a little bit too much sugar, so sometimes I'll take this particular formula to help reduce my sugar cravings. And again, I'm going to be going over that one in length. So there's, again, many different Chinese herbal formulas for whatever ails you. This one, actually, the Bajing San, is a classical formula, and this is one that's prescribed for urinary tract infection. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to leave any comments, shares. If you need any guidance, leave them in the comments box. Push the bell icon to be notified of my weekly videos that are coming out every Friday now. Please subscribe and push the bell icon so you will be notified every week. And give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. So wishing you many healthy, happy blessings along your way until we meet again. Take good care. Ciao for now.